OpenAI Spring updates just happened, and we got some pretty incredible updates. Firstly is ChatGPT 4.0. That's the letter O. This is essentially GPT-4, but a lot quicker, and it's going to be accessible to everyone, even the free members, which is kind of nuts. Secondly, this model is going to be available in the API, which is incredible because it's going to be twice as fast and half as cheap, meaning developers are going to be able to build and scale some pretty incredible applications out of this. I imagine this is going to be the catalyst for some really, really good applications being built. They also did some pretty cool live shows like live translation, the speech functionality of this thing, how quickly it can respond and how naturally it feels to have a conversation is absolutely mind-blowing.
I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian, and I only speak English. And every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian. And if you hear Italian, I want you to translate it back to English. Is that good?
Perfetto.
Mark, io mi chiedo, se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
This is so quick, man.
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
The visual capabilities where you can show it a mathematical problem and then ask it to help you solve it is pretty good. I know that sometimes Google tends to edit these things to make themselves look a lot better than they actually are. However, OpenAI hasn't done that, so I really think that this is going to be as good and cool as it looked like in the live show. By far, my favorite announcement out of this whole thing is the desktop app GPT. So they've done a desktop app with ChatGPT, which kind of feels like having Jarvis on your own computer, where you can ask it to read the code, you can ask it to look at the desktop and describe what it's seeing and how to help you. It's going to be your own personal assistant for your desktop. Check out a little preview here.
And so I'm going to generate the plot and then show it to you. Give me 1 second.
Absolutely. Take your time. I'm excited to see the plot when you're ready.
Yeah. So far, ChatGPT has only been able to see the code. And now I'm going to run it, and then I'll use the vision capabilities of the ChatGPT desktop app so it can actually see everything going on the screen as well. OK, ChatGPT.
Whoa.
I'm sharing with you the plot now. I'm wondering if you can give me a really brief one-sentence overview of what you see.
The plot displays smoothed average, minimum, and maximum temperatures throughout 2018, with a notable annotation marking a big rainfall event in late September.
All pretty fascinating updates. No GPT-5, but that's to come this year. If you want to stay up to date and learn more about how to use the latest AI tools within your digital marketing and within SEO and how to do automations using OpenAI's API technology, I encourage you to check out our community, the AI Ranking and Automation Hub. I'll link to the description below. You've got access to a bunch of full masterclasses on how to use ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to rank your website and how to use automations with OpenAI. I'll leave the video to the whole Spring update from OpenAI's YouTube account in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.